result of the Pepsi Refresh Grant. This is made for Hartwood Elementary P1 classroom, which is a combination of first graders and kindergartners. However, it can be used by any class that is looking for different ways to make combinations with numbers. For example, what we have here is we say make 4 combinations that add to 8. What they need to do, the students need to do, is using the ice cream down at the bottom, make 4 different combinations. So for example, if I was to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that I have 8 scoops of ice cream on the ice cream cone, I would hit the check button, and that's our first combination of 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. We purposely did not have the application counting the number of scoops because we wanted the children to count the scoops. However, we are going to add sound to read the question, since many of these kids cannot read since they're kindergartners and first grade. So what you would have is the application would say make 4 combinations that add to 8. And then after they make the combination, a valid combination, we would have the application say 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 makes 8. And for each subsequent one that they make correct, they would do the same thing. So let me show you a second combination. So what you can see here is I did 2 scoops of mint chocolate chip, 2 scoops of strawberry, 2 scoops of vanilla, and 2 scoops of chocolate. And I can hit the check mark. And now you see that you have a 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. If a child was to put, let's say, 3 scoops instead of 8, they can choose to clear, select, let's say, some more, and if they think that equals 8,
oh no, you don't have enough scoops. You need to add some more. Try again.
So that's if they have not enough scoops. Now at the same time, we can put too many scoops and we have another error message going there. I'm just randomly, notice that the scoops do have to go on the top. So if I don't make it all the way to the top, the scoop goes away. It's much easier when you use your fingers than the mouse. So here I've added, I don't even know how many. So if I hit the check button,
that is too many scoops. Try again.
we have the other error message saying that's too many scoops. Let me quickly go through. Oh. That's another set of 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1. Now the numbers up here that you're actually trying to get are randomly generated, so they will change each time you run the application. They run for all numbers through 4 through 10 because that is the categories that we do have to do multiple combinations for. So this application is really only for 4 through 10. If you repeat one of the combinations, you get another error message.
You already have that combination. Try another.
So it would repeat that you have already the combination. We are going to add that 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 has already been used. So we already do know about some updates. Let me put a final pattern up here. And they don't have to go in order. I could put another mint chocolate chip on the top. You can go in any order that you want. It doesn't matter about the order that they're put on there.
You already have that combination.
And you'll see another error message. Didn't realize I already did that one. And now I'm going to put the rest as mint chocolate chip. So that would be the final combination, and then you can see it refreshes the screen. It goes, now this time it says make 4 combinations that add to 4. As I said, once again, we will be, that is randomly generated, so it will not be 8 and 4 the next time that you actually do it. When you start a new game, it starts all the combinations again, meaning that it would do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear is to mean that you clear your scoops. So if I were to put 2 scoops on there, I can clear the scoops off. If you have any comments or questions, we would love to hear from you. As I said, we are working on new graphics. We are working on graphics that are actually created by some art students at the university. So this application was made by Jeff McElhannon. He is a senior now at the University of Mary Washington. He is working on fixing this game up, and at the same time he is going to start a new application as a honors project for his senior year. Thanks, and I look forward to hearing from you.